here today. Okay. What is suppose here two charges are separated and a third charge is placed for like charges in between them. Okay. And the net force on 0. Then that point, suppose this is the point P. That point P is actually called as neutral point, already I told.
Sir.
And here charge Q3 is said to be in equilibrium. Right. Okay. If Q3 is in equilibrium, means third charge is in equilibrium, whatever placed in between these two. In that case, I think if I ask what is the quantity of charge Q3? Okay, I can't say now. If it is in equilibrium, generally net force on it we write, which is equals to 0, means F1 is equals to F2, we equate those two. Okay, while equating what happened in the previous class, this one, pi 4 pi epsilon naught on both sides get cancelled. Okay, F1, F2, if you write now on Q3. F1 is Q1, Q3 by x square. And F2 is Q2, Q3 by R minus x. So here, if you solve this equation, Q3 also get cancelled. So here, if you want, means in exam, if they ask the quantity of charge Q3, we can't calculate now in equilibrium position. That is getting cancelled. That's why here, what is the value of Q3 means? Since it is cancelling here in the equation, we can say that Q3, quantity of Q3, charge Q3 here in equilibrium is independent of charge. Okay, means Q3 may be any quantity, may be having any quantity of charge. Means Q3 may be, if someone asks you what is the value of Q3, maybe 1 coulomb, maybe 2 coulomb, maybe 3 coulomb, maybe minus 1, minus 2 coulomb, minus 3 coulomb. Any amount of charge you can say. Okay, and understood that point? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. So this is when Q3 is in equilibrium. Means here I think you identified disadvantage in this model. Okay, we are unable to find out the charge Q3 here.
Yes, sir.
We are unable. That's why to find out that charge, if they ask another model, what is that model? Suppose in the same question, this is Q1 and as usual is Q2 separated by a distance R, like in the previous example. And I am taking these two are like charges, like plus plus or minus minus. Okay, and a third charge is placed somewhere here, and that point was placed at a point E. Point P, here I am directly saying, is a neutral point. It is a neutral point.
F1 equal to F2.
Obviously. But what I am saying, after placing Q3 at a distance x, this time no need to find out. That x already R by root of by
2 by Q1.
Q1 plus 1. Already I know. This is. But what he is saying, in this case, not Q3 in equilibrium, both system is in equilibrium. Okay, P is a neutral point. That is x is equals to this is the value, and he is saying that total system. Total system means how many charges are there, Nana?
3, sir.
So all 3 charges are in equilibrium. What he is saying. Okay. So system is in equilibrium means what you have to understand here.
Q3 is not.
The net force.
Is independent of quantity of charge.
Net force on Q3, if Q3 is in equilibrium, is 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
The
sir.
total system is in equilibrium means not only Q3, net force on Q1 is also equals to 0. Net force on even Q2 also. On any charge, if you calculate the net force, okay, the net force, you are getting 0. I think you understood the difference between the previous model and this new model.
Yes, sir.
Previous model only on Q3.
Only Q3.
Net force is equals to 0. This is only on Q3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana?
Yes.
Means here net force on Q1 is not equal to 0. Net force on Q2 also not equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, better we write here in this model. F net on Q is not equal to 0 and F net on Q2 also not equal to 0. Okay. So previous model and this model, if you check, okay, in comparison, you can understand the theory. Okay, Nana? So here the total system is in equilibrium.
Yes, sir.
Whereas only one charge is in equilibrium, that is Q3 is in equilibrium. Okay. Then in this case, how can you find the value of Q3, sir? Then he is saying, when net force on Q3 is 0, I got this equation. X is equals to R by root of Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Okay. So if I take the second equation, F net on Q1 also equals to 0. So here this is Q1 kadana.
Yes, sir.
And here this is what? Q3. Okay. And this is what? Q2. And distance between these two is R.
X.
This is X.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you said these two are like charges, which are Q1 and Q2. Suppose I am calculating the net force on Q1 now. First Q1 will be repelled by Q2.
Yes, sir.
Repelled. So Q1 tries to go away. I write it as F1 now. Okay. That magnitude, if I write here, 1 by 4
into Q1, Q2 by R square.
This is F1. Very good. And here other charge Q3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Q1, Q2 repulsion కాబట్టి
repulsion means if I take it as a positive charge,
if it is
F3.
minus attraction.
So here net force equals to 0 means the two forces we must get in opposite directions.
Yes, sir. అప్పుడు minus ఉండాలి.
So here clearly, there we are unable to say whether it is positive or negative.
Yes, sir.
But here clearly I am saying the third charge should be unlike. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here that force, attractive force, whatever you are saying, F2 equals to what you are writing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1
Q2.
Q2 now.
Q3. Q3.
3 by what?
X.
Right, X. Okay. If I equate these two equations, means F net on Q1 equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
That implies F1 equals to F2. Equating 1 by 4 pi epsilon get cancelled now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Q1 cancel. Q3.
Q2 by R square equals to
Q3 by X square.
Yeah. So X already we found here from this equation. We substitute here.
Yes, sir.
Q2 we know, R we know. By substituting all the values, we can find out Q3 here.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Anna?
Yes, sir.
So this is in this model, clearly we are saying that Q3 is unlike to Q1 and Q2. And value of Q3 also we are saying that Q2 into X square by R square. Am I right now?
Yes, sir.
So based on this, sir, did he ask any questions previously, sir? Yes. One example, if you take here. Suppose these are the two charges. He said both are equal, Q and Q. Okay. And if they are equal, the neutral point is formed.
Middle.
Look at here, neutral point means
Middle, sir. Middle.
yeah, exactly at the middle. So this is the neutral point. Straight away we can say X from the first charge is equals to R by 2.
R by 2.
Exactly. Okay. I am saying that Q third charge is placed here and total system is in equilibrium.
Appadi F1 on Q3, Q on Q3 equal to 0, Q2 on Q3 equal to 0.
Already that we derived here, Nana. Why don't we use this shortcut straight away?
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So if I go to that shortcut here, Q3 is equals to Q2 is how much, Nana?
Q, sir.
Q into X square.
R by 2 square by R square.
By R square.
Cancel. Q by 4, sir.
Q by 4. And it should be what I said here, unlike to the given two charge.
Yes, sir.
Unlike means it should be minus. Therefore, Q3 is equals to minus Q4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more example he gave previously in exam. That, of course, appeared to be hard, but it is very easy actually. Suppose this is a square now. 4 identical charges are placed here. Okay. And he is saying that exactly at the point of intersection, one charge is placed, let it be some Q5, fifth charge. Okay. So that the total system is in equilibrium. Is in equilibrium. Then in this case, will you say Q5 equals to how much? If they ask, how we solve this one?
Sir, దీనికి కూడా సేమ్ అలానే సార్ ఇది Q5 Q3 ఒక లైన్ లాగా తీసుకుందాం సార్.
Right.
డయాగ్నల్ తీసుకుంటే చేయాలి సార్.
అంటే it should be attractive, అంటే this should be negative.
Negative.
Net force on this charge due to remaining 3 already we calculated previously, Saturday class.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether you remembered that shortcut or not.
F into root 2 plus 1 by 2.
Root 2 plus half. Okay, this is F dash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two should be equated.
Yes, sir.
So solution F into root 2 plus half should be equals to F5.
Sir.
F actually 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, what we write, all the charges are equal. So Q square, Q1, Q2. By each side, we take it as A na.
Sir?
Can I take it as A na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Q square by A square into root 2 plus half is equals to Q F5. This we have to write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q5 Q5 by what is this distance between them?
A by 2 root 2 A by 2 A by root 2.
A by root 2 whole square.
A by 2. A square by 2.
So A square, there A square cancel.
Yes, sir.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel. 1q cancel. So you are getting q into root 2 plus half. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Equals to q5 by 1 by root 2 whole square. That is 1 by 2. Correct, Anna?
Correct, yes, sir.
Therefore, q5 by taking cross multiplication, q into half into root 2 plus half. Okay, Nana? By taking the cross multiplication.
Yes, sir.
And that too, this should be negative. So minus. This is also one more question in exam.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So is it clear, Nana? Suppose this is one simple pendulum. Okay. Generally, in case of simple pendulum, we suspend some masses.
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm doing here, it has some mass as well as some charge q. Okay. And here I placed at the point of suspension one more charge, be capital. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose if it is not placed here, where at the point of suspension, okay, means without capital Q, the time period here I am taking it as capital T. Means first time T1 equals to T. After placing capital Q, the time period T dash will be how much? Okay. And he is asking one more question. Find the tension in the string. Tension in the string at a position. Okay, this is the question now. Okay.
So, tension అంటే nothing but force కాబట్టి F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Wait. I think.
F is లేకపోతే T equal to mg తీసుకోండి సార్.
Okay, Nana. Suppose if I come to this position. Okay, na? Okay. Suppose this is extreme position and this is mean position. Okay, he is asking a position. Suppose somewhere here. Okay, at this position, I am going to find out the what tension in the string. Straight away going to the second question first. Okay, first going to the tension in the string. Here you placed one more charge, Nana. Actually, if it is a question in oscillations chapter, T is equals to what we do? Mg component.
Yes, sir.
Mg cos theta, what we write? This component is after resolving mg cos theta, and it is not extreme position.
Yes, sir.
So extreme position we say velocity equals to 0. But here the velocity is not equal to
0.
Since it is a part and parcel of a circle. Okay. In the circular motion, obviously there should be some centrifugal force. It is mv squared by r. By r is length of the string. I am taking it as L. Okay, Nana? And extra along the line joining, what you said, repulsive force. These two are like kada, Nana? Repulsive force, F I have.
మూడింటిని ఈక్వల్ యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా సార్.
Since all, yeah. Therefore, T is equals to, I think you are going to say there.
mg square by L plus mg cos theta plus F.
Plus mg cos theta plus that F also I get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by L square. Am I right, Nana?
Yes, sir. Sir, 1/4 epsilon naught 9 into 10 power 9 రాసేద్దాం సార్.
No need.
Equal.
Just, no need. Why? Because he is not asking, he is asking just formula.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because any numerical values here are not given.
Yes, sir.
That's why simply leave it. This is what tension in the string. Period means we have to find out restoring force now.
Sir.
Restoring force, I am getting just mg sin theta only. Why? Because the force here, this is exactly coming along the line.
Yes, sir.
So here restoring force after resolving mg into two components, I am getting still mg sin theta only. Extra, I am not getting anything here.
Sir.
That's why restoring force is mg sin theta means restoring force, even though this is not a charge, it is same mg sin theta only.
Sir.
If you consider charge, restoring force is mg sin theta only. Means restoring force is changed or not changed?
Not changed, sir.
Therefore, time period, straight away we can write it as 2 pi root of L by G. Okay. There the time period here is, I think you remember the derivation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one derived with the F restoring force in your first year is equal to mg sin
theta.
Sin theta, we write it as theta, remember?
Small angle.
Then A net is equals to
Yes.
G into theta.
Yes, sir.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Theta as Y by L.
Y by L.
Yeah. This is what I'm saying. Restoring force is not changed.
Yes, sir.
That's why G by L component is not changed. Okay. Next, I think you remembered it is equated to omega square Y.
Omega square Y.
Omega is equal to root of.
ఇంకా చేస్తారు సార్. Y బదులు Y పెట్టి omega square equal to G by L. Omega equal to root G by L.
So here
time period equal to 2 pi by omega. Omega
means here the time period, is it changing, Nana?
No, sir.
That's why the second time period T dash is equals to T only. It is not changed. Why? Restoring force is not changed. Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in these type of questions, try to remember just what happens to this acceleration at the denominator. Okay. If that acceleration changes, obviously time period will be
changes.
Means you can remember the shortcut as time period in case of simple pendulum is equals to 2 pi root of L
by G.
What, not G, what is the net acceleration acting on the body?
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good. Here in this case, Nana, what I am saying, suppose another example I am taking here. Okay, this is example 1, Nana, and this is the second example. Here, this is simple pendulum, Nana. Some charges, okay, for small oscillations. Small oscillation means whatever the height raised here is almost negligible. Okay, Nana? Here suppose some other charge is placed. Okay. From mean position, its distance is r. And whatever the distance traveled is negligible. Why? Because theta is very small.
Sir, R starting rest lo ఉన్నప్పుడు నుంచా ఈ mean position?
From this position. Okay, na? And even from here also you can take it as R.
Okay.
From here also you can take it as R. Okay. Why? Because whatever this part is negligible. Right. Okay. So in this case, Nana, suppose if I ask what is the time period of oscillation? Okay. Then in this case, what you understood from here?
The length is negligible, sir.
not length. Here the distance displaced is negligible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Right. In this case, what I am saying, what he is asking, what is the time of oscillation? Okay, time period of oscillation equals to how much? In this case, what I am saying, suppose while oscillating, if you see here, while oscillating, number one, between the two charges, a repulsive force will act in this direction. Correct?
Correct.
This is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, like Q1, Q2. Okay, you take it as some Q2. You take this charge as Q. Okay, Q1, Q2 by R square, Nana. Right? And here another force is, this is what? mg.
Downward.
Downward. These two are perpendicular or not?
Perpendicular, sir.
Perpendicular means net force, what I have to write, root of, since they are perpendicular. Correct, Nana?
Yes, sir.
According to Pythagoras theorem, I have to write f square by plus mg whole square.
Yes, sir.
So A net is equals to how much I am getting? F is equals to m.
Yes, sir. Yeah. This m by m. Root of f square plus mg whole square by m.
F square plus mg whole square by m. Okay. So here already I told, if there is some extra force is acting to change,
the tension will be changing.
Time period will be changed. Okay. So time period, I am going to write from that shortcut formula. Time period T is equals to 2 by root of
L
by A net. I calculated here. I am not interested to substitute the whole the thing. Just I write here A net in the denominator. Okay, now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. And one more very good example, number of times given in exam, this type of model. Here, suppose previously in the two examples, how many pendulum I took, Nana? Only one. One pendulum I took.
Yes, sir.
Here, what he is doing, from the same point of suspension at two pendulum of same length suspended simultaneously. This is one pendulum and this is another pendulum. Okay, from the same point. Here suspended like this. Okay, Nana? Each of length L. And mass also L. Suppose for the both the pendula, I am giving same amount of charge Q and Q.
Same masses, same length, sir.
Same masses, same length, same charge. Same length, same mass, same charge. That too like. Then what happens? They try to repel or attack.
Repel, sir. They don't do
like in the V shape, they try to come. I think this type of question I asked in the assignment.
Yes, sir. Adios.
Correct? Right. If these two are separated certain distance like this, then they will come to position here, what I mentioned. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Here, what are the forces acting?
F1, Q1 ఒకటి, Q2 ఒకటి, sir.
Q. Means force will act, repulsive force like this.
Yes, sir.
Number 2?
Downward mg. Perpendicular.
Very good. And number 3? This is string.
Tension.
Right, tension in the string. Okay, na?
రెండిటి same tension ఉండేదా, sir?
Obviously. That's why only I am drawing here one. Why? Because both are same.
Yes, sir.
Why should we waste the time? No? So here, suppose if I calculate the net force of F and mg,
sir.
and suppose that comes exactly anti-parallel to the tension,
Yes, sir.
then the total force on the mass equals to 0.
Cancel అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి yes, sir.
Why? Because they are in opposite direction.
Cancel.
Right. Net force, total force equals to 0. Correct? Na? So here he is saying that it is the equilibrium position.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In this equilibrium position, he is asking what is the separation between the two charges.
R కొనుక్కోవాలా sir?
R కొనుక్కోవాలి. Whereas length of the string is given, and here half angle is given as theta. If theta is given, then actually no need to go to this diagram.
Tan theta.
Yeah, sin theta is equals to, straight away I can say
Opposite by hypotenuse.
opposite side r by 2, half of the distance.
By t.
By L, length of the string. This is distance kada nana.
Yes, sir.
Distance by distance kada. Okay, so this is L, length of the string. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. So here, this is the length of the string. So if they give theta, then happily directly you can calculate r nana here.
For small angle, theta equal to r by 2.
This is not small angle.
Okay, sir.
This is maybe 30 degrees, 60 degrees like nana. Okay.
Yes.
So that is not small angle. So we can directly substitute, if they give theta value, we substitute L, we substitute, and we can find out what is R. But problem is theta is not given.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find out that theta also. Okay. Theta means, look at, if it is theta, I think
Theta.
also this is theta.
45 అవుతుంది theta.
Who knows F is equals to mg? If these two are equal vectors, then bisect.
Okay, sir.
But these two are equal or are not, don't know. Who? F and E.
Theta మాత్రం 90 minus ఇది అవుతుంది sir.
Maybe. But from this, why don't you write tan theta is equals to
Opposite by adjacent.
opposite means F by adjacent.
mg.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
So we can use this formula. From that you can find out tan theta. Okay, where F is equals to force between two charges 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by r square.
By mg.
By mg. But look at Nana, these two in this equation, theta and r are unknowns.
Yes, sir.
In the above equation also, theta and r are unknowns.
దీని కూడా in terms of r తీసుకొస్తే దీని
Yeah. Then we have to solve the two equations. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
By that we can find out what is theta and what is r.
Okay, sir.
In this case, if I ask tension, Nana?
Tension T is equal to F net, sir.
F. F net means, can I write root of F square plus
F
mg
equal square.
Very good. This is the tension strength.
A net equal to అదే sir. M cancel.
Yeah.
By M.
This
ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది sir. A net.
But we are not equating now. We are not calculating the time period of improvement. This is tension, kada, not time period. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Right. This is the story. Okay. In this case, it is in equilibrium means the net force means the tension and the net force are equal and the total force is 0.
Sir, ఇక్కడ r square equal to q square by 4 pi epsilon naught into mg tan theta వచ్చింది sir.
Very good. No problem.
దాన్ని r ని ఈక్వేట్ చేసేసి సరిపోతుంది సార్. r తీసుకోవచ్చు r square.
Yeah. You are right. You are right. Okay. So here, Nana, in this page, any doubts?
No, sir.
No. In this page, just I am taking some clarification. suppose this whole system, what I asked in the assignment, is taken into the artificial satellite, means space, into the space. Into the space, what will be the angular separation between these two strings, if I ask? In space, generally, what do you know? The weight of the body is 0 or something.
Something, sir, not equal to 0.
In space, space means artificial satellite.
Sir.
In artificial satellite, I think weight of body is 0. That's why I think astronauts also float in the satellites.
సార్ కానీ మాస్ ఇప్పుడు మూన్ పైన కూడా మనం ఫ్లోట్ అవుతాం కదా సార్, కానీ దాంట్లో గ్రావిటీ తక్కువ ఉండడం వల్ల కదా సార్.
That is because of less gravity. But artificial satellite, what happens due to the rotation of satellite around the Earth, the net force becomes 0.
Okay, sir. Then gravity will be 0.
Yeah, that is weightlessness state.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So gravity becomes 0 there, means net apparent weight of the body becomes 0. So what are the forces acting on it?
Mg equal to 0, F is only F, sir.
Only F and tension.
Tension.
Okay, na?
Sir.
Your formula in equilibrium, if I ask again, in equilibrium, okay, where in the artificial satellite, okay, artificial satellite means our intention is, sorry, artificial satellite means our intention is what now?
Gravity is 0.
Gravity is 0. Artificial satellite. According to our formula, tan theta equals to F by mg kada nanu?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
In equilibrium. Mg is 0 at.
Up tan theta equal to infinity, theta 90.
Theta 90. Okay. Theta 90 degrees means in the previous diagram, if you remembered or not, look at the previous diagram. Theta is a half angle or full angle?
Half angle, sir.
So in the half,
180 straight lines, sir.
Yeah, good. So this theta is 90 degrees, means both will come straight line, 180 degrees total angle.
Yes, sir.
Total angle will be 180. Straight line means one string will come like this, other string will come like this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And angle is 180 degrees. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In this case, I think no need to calculate the separation between the two strings. Two charges. What is the R here? You can say this is one string, that is another string.
12.
R is equals to 2 straight away. In this case, no need to find out R. We know R.
Yes, sir.
And here, this is the tension in the string, and between the two charges along the line joining, this is a force in equilibrium. If they ask the tension in the string, straight away we can calculate is equals to F. Correct, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because they are in
opposite direction.
And that too, he said in equilibrium.
Yes, sir.
So they must be equal. Net force is 0.
Okay, sir.
So that is equals to what we write tension in the string 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2
by R square.
R square is 4L square.
Yes, sir.
Straight away we can calculate. So understood, Nana? Now I am not taking in artificial satellite. What I am doing, next example, this is one example, Nana. And another example here. The same system, not in artificial satellite, on the surface of Earth only, Nana.
Sir.
Okay, sorry here. Both are of same length only. Here, consider of same length, Nana. Okay. And first time they are placed in air, Nana. Okay, and found half angle or full angle, let it be some theta. Okay, And the whole system second time is immersed in some liquid. This is one charge. This is the another second charge system. But the second time also, I am finding out theta is same even though this whole system is immersed in some liquid. Okay, this is
length కూడా సేమే కదా సార్
everything same system.
Okay, sir.
Same system is immersed in liquid. And here first time theta is equals to second time theta.
Yes, sir.
Thetas are equal. Okay. Then the question is, what is the specific gravity of the liquid? Specific gravity of the liquid is equals to sigma, generally we represent, equals to how much? Take the dielectric constant of the liquid. Okay. K is equals to 5. This is the question given previously. Okay. Here, knowingly or unknowingly, he gave some information for us.
Theta 1
theta 1 equals to theta 2. Whereas theta equals to, already I have one formula.
Tan theta equal F by mg.
Means,
vacuum లో ఉన్నప్పుడు కదా సార్
first time in air, second time in liquid, both are equal.
అవును సార్.
So what I write, F by mg in air
equal to F by mg in liquid.
Why don't I write?
We can write.
This is in liquid.
అప్పుడు F air by F liquid equal to mg air by mg. Mark equal కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది.
Wait. mg liquid by mg equals to, I am going to write what? F liquid by F air.
Mass is equal.
Equally, but you try to recollect one formula from mechanical properties of fluids, hydrostatics, Nana, first year. There, when an object is immersed in a liquid, according to Archimedes' principle, the weight of the liquid in liquid is appeared as mg
to 1 minus d, sir. I mean
1 minus 1 by sigma.
Yes, sir.
Remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
So if I substitute mg liquid here as mg into 1 minus 1 by sigma, mg get cancelled.
1 minus 1 by sigma
equals to in
F liquid by F air.
That already I told. F air by F liquid is equals to K.
Yes, sir. 1 by K.
This one already given. Remember, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So that is equals to 1 by K. Therefore, 1 minus 1 by K is equals to 1 by sigma.
Sigma by sigma minus 1 equals to K.
Or else here he gave K value, Gadanana, straight away. 1 minus 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by sigma.
Sigma equal to 1 by 4, sir.
1 by 4. 5 minus 1. 4 by 5, Gadanana, this is. Taking LCM.
Oh, sir.
4 by 5 means 5 by 4.
Yes, sir.
5 by 4 or 1 by 4?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is 5 by 4. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is sigma. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This type of question previously he asked.
Sir.
These are few models related to what? A single simple pendulum, 2 simple pendulum. Okay? In equilibrium. So here many models we discuss are related to point charges. Okay? So can we move to another concept, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Now I am moving to another concept here, electric field intensity. Okay. If I come to electric field intensity, what is this electric field intensity? Okay. Simple, Nana. Suppose this is one charge. Okay. And here, if I take another charge small q at a distance r from capital Q, if I ask what is the force on small q, what do you say?
F is 1 by 4 pi epsilon and Q into capital Q into small q by r square.
If I am
1 by 4 pi epsilon and K తీసుకుంటాం కదా సార్.
That is your wish, Nana. Okay? That if you want to take it, no problem. Okay. But here my question is, suppose instead of small q, I place here unit positive charge. Positive unit charge means 1.
1. అప్పుడు Q small q 1 పెడితే 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by r square.
This time, whatever you are finding out, this is force on who?
Unit charge.
Unit positive charge.
Positive charge.
That force, whatever you found on unit positive charge, is called as electric field intensity.
అంటే యూనిట్ చార్జ్ పైన కనిపెట్టారని
అంటే just the electric field intensity is also a force, but force on unit positive charge.
Yes, sir.
This is electric field intensity represented by the letter capital E. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I think here you can find out from this equation, you can interrelate F and E.
F is equal to E by Q.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square is E.
Yes, sir.
So in place of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square, if I substitute E
into Q.
F is equals to E into Q. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is the force on this Q charge, you can write force is equals to EQ in terms of electric field intensity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at Nana, this unit positive charge from the other charge tries to move away or towards?
Away, sir. Repels.
Yeah. So look at, this is, I took positive charge or negative charge?
Positive.
Then you can conclude that from a positive charge, electric field is always away. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can say now, if I take it as a negative charge, Nana,
Toward.
so you have to remember the direction of electric field intensity also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Electric field intensity is always away from positive charge and towards the negative charge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the electric field intensity due to which charge Nana you calculated? Capital Q na small q na?
Unit charge Q, sir. Small q.
On small q.
Small q. With respect to capital Q.
Due to capital Q or small q?
Capital Q, sir.
So here this E is due to capital Q. Okay. So I think you understood one point here. If I ask the electric field intensity here at this point, that electric field intensity depends upon the other charge placed here.
Yes, sir.
Not the charge placed here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So can I move to next page, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So here, if I ask one question, these are the two charges, Q1 and Q2, separated by certain distance, say R. And I am going to ask at the point, suppose you give the names P and, okay, better I take A and B, these 2 points as A and B. Okay. At A, what is the electric field intensity? If I ask, what do you say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? Actual formula is Q by R square. Which Q you write here? At A, I am asking.
At A means Q2, sir.
Very good. Easily you got. Very good. Good. And E at B, Nana, if I ask?
At B ante Q1, sir.
That's it. Good. Very good. Then this is Q1 by R square. Okay, na? So in exam, if they ask what is the ratio EA by EB, very easily you can say Right.
Q2 by Q1, sir.
Don't write Q1 by Q2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. So it is, can I say, independent of Q?
Yes, sir.
And it is independent
Independent
of
of Q2.
right. Good. It is independent of Q. But I think their directions are both are positive now.
Yes, sir. Opposite direction.
EA, away from this
Yes,
positive charge. Away from that positive charge. Very good.
EB is away.
This is at B and that is at A.
A.
Good. This is at B and this is at A. Okay, very good. So here you understood one point. Every time you are writing E, direction
Yes, sir.
means is it a vector or scalar?
Vector.
So I think you understood. Is a vector. And from the formula, I think you can say the unit also. E is equal to, from this formula, can I write F by Q?
Sir, E is equal to F by K, sir.
F by Q.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Newtons per kilo.
So E is equals to, you are saying that F by Q means unit will be Newton per kilo. This is the unit.
Yes, sir.
This is the story now of electric field intensity.
Sir.
Okay. Look at the definition here. Electric field intensity is the force on whom?
Unit charge.
Unit positive charge kada?
Yes, sir.
So unit positive.
Direction.
That's why every day I am saying not unit charge. I am saying unit positive charge.
Unit negative ante towards kaakunda Q keltundi kada sir.
Anduke we have to take in the definition unit positive charge, not unit negative charge.
Okay, sir.
So this is always testing always with unit positive charge. Unit positive charge.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So in the next page, if I say this is suppose 1 point charge plus Q. Okay, and if I place unit positive charge here, both will repel or attract?
Repel, sir.
Repel means this positive charge tries to go away from the
Q.
So if I extend the line, it will be up like this. Not only here, even if I place here, Nana,
same, sir. Away.
I will get lines.
Yes, sir.
Nana, away. Here, away.
Away.
Here, away. So look at all the lines are you are getting away from positive charge or towards?
Away, sir.
Away. Those lines, whatever you drew here, testing with unit positive charge, okay, are called electric field lines.
Okay, sir.
Electric field lines. They are called as lines of force. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Electric field lines of force. So electric field lines of force here around a positive charge are away or towards?
Away, sir.
If I ask, I think you can say the answer. If it is negative charge, Nana?
Towards.
So I have to right. I have to draw like this towards. Correct?
Diverging lines, sir.
These are like converging.
So అన్ని ఒకే దానిపై నుంచి వస్తున్నారు సార్. అన్ని ఒకే దానిపైకి వస్తున్నారు.
కరెక్ట్. అలా వస్తుంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కన్వర్జింగ్ కదా.
సార్ ఇది డైవర్జింగ్.
ఇది డైవర్జింగ్. దీస్ ఆర్ అపియర్డ్ లైక్ డైవర్జింగ్. They are appeared like converging. Okay, very good. And these are all straight lines.
Yes, sir.
But here look at, I took only negative charge.
Yes, sir.
Here I took only one positive charge.
One positive charge.
If I take two charges, more charges here, like one positive and other also positive. Okay, Nana? then here it can't go straight like this, Nana. When I place unit positive charge here, it can't go like this. Why? Because while going in this direction, this positive charge also tries to repel it.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Point to point, it tries to repel. Repel means it can't come along this line.
Yes, sir.
So it has to go in some other direction.
Yes, sir.
So the line straighten may bend like this.
అప్పుడు ఇలా వస్తాయి సార్ అలా వచ్చి
ఇక్కడ కూడా if you draw one more line, it will come like this. Correct?
మాత్రం ఒక్కొక్క పాయింట్ లో మీట్ అవుతాయి సార్.
మీట్ అవ్వేమో, ఎందుకంటే దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ డైవర్జింగ్ లైన్స్ కదా. ఓకే,
మ్యాగ్నెట్ అయితే ఎస్ సార్.
యా, మ్యాగ్నెట్ అంటే దే ఆర్ అన్లైక్ కదా నాన్న,
దాంట్లో అప్పుడు
నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ కదా. సో యూ విల్ గెట్ లైక్ దిస్. This is between like charges and unlike charges.
Unlike, sir.
These are
unlike that. Like
plus, like charges. Plus minus what you are saying?
Rundu colors.
Yeah. That's why one tries to go towards the other.
Yes, sir.
Then you will get the lines of force like this. Correct, Anana?
Yes, sir.
Here the lines of force. And here they are moving from positive to negative or negative to positive?
Positive to negative.
Positive to negative. And again, are you seeing any line from negative to positive?
No, sir.
Means the line of force is coming like this.
Yes, sir.
It is not coming like a closed one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not getting this this type of line of force.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So correct. I think can I say these are not closed loops.
Sir.
Okay, so they always start from
positive to negative.
Positive and end at
negative.
End at negative charge. Okay, is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So can we conclude today these electric lines of force or those lines of force are, can I say, open loops, Nana?
Yes, sir.
They are not
closed.
They are not closed loops. Okay, good. This is the story about the lines of force.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if these lines of force at a place come straight and parallel, not like this, Nana, they are straight lines, but are they parallel?
No, sir.
Then such type of field is called as uniform electric field. Okay, uniform electric field means E magnitude is the same, direction is also same at all points.
Yes, sir.
In this uniform, if they are not parallel, means if you get like this is uniform.
Not uniform, sir.
This is non-uniform. Okay, look at these are also non-uniform or uniform?
Non-uniform, sir.
These are also
non-uniform.
Non-uniform. So parallel and straight, then only they are called as uniform.
Direction.
Yeah, one direction, single direction. Good.
Yes, sir.
In that uniform electric field, if I place a charge, how it behaves? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Continue tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Problems పెడతారా, sir?
Sure.